let me show you how to make this marinated mozzarella balls. I mean, honestly, these are so delicious. You're gonna wanna make them all the time. They're the perfect thing to add to your like little starter table or just like as a snack in general. And they are so much more affordable than the ones you buy that are already marinated. And of course, infinitely more delicious. I use some shallots. Now, if you're using a really small shallot, you could use a whole shallot, but these were a little bit bigger, so I use a half of a shallot, and you wanna make sure you mince it really nice and fine. And then I go ahead and add my herbs. I like to use a mixture of basil and parsley. And by the way, the full recipe and details is going to be listed in the description down below. Again, finely chop your herbs. You can add fresh oregano to this. You can add anything that you like. This just happens to be the flavor combination. I feel like it's so delicious and goes with everything. But if you wanted to add olives, sun-dried tomatoes, roasted peppers, by all means, add them right into this. It's so good. Add everything to a jar, a cup, a bowl, anything that you want to mix it all in that makes it easier. I went ahead and grated a clove of garlic, a small clove of garlic, and then just a little bit of lemon zest. You don't want this to taste lemony. You kind of want it just to bring all of the flavors to life. So between a quarter and a half a teaspoon is perfect. I do a teaspoon of Calabrian chili paste, although a pinch of hot pepper flakes works great, and then olive oil. Not using extra virgin here, I'm using regular olive oil because extra virgin is really strong and bitter and it would overpower the rest of the ingredients. A pinch of salt, and everything goes into a jar. Now these are best if you let them sit for like a couple of hours before serving. They stay up in the fridge up to a few days. They don't last that long in this house. And then you can use the remaining oil if you have any for a million other things, which I will list in the description down below. I hope that you make this. I hope that you love it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.